What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today, we got new tunes, new shift on the fly tunes actually for the Ram. I'm sure you guys heard me talking about it in D-Max Rhino's video, and yes, we got Big Lou. We got Big Lou over here cooking. We got Genesis over here watching. Learning. Okay, we got some damn rain. What's up with this rain, Callie? I don't get it. This rain is driving me nuts. We got Alculator missing somewhere. Alculator? He's here somewhere, huh? Is food ready?
Excuse me, chow.
Whoa! Where's Alculator? Did he leave? We're missing Alculator. Alculator? There he is. Alculator's in here washing his hand. Alculator did some work.
Gasket stuff sticks.
Oh yeah, the gasket stuff and it stays on there forever.
Yeah.
The best stuff, so that soap sucks. Don't use this one, use the snap-on. Yeah, that one's way better. So the Alculator has brought his buggy in because, as you guys know, he cannot stand sitting and pumping tires all day. And I told him, well, most likely the beads are very dirty, which they were. They were filthy. That's why we're trying to hopefully get this cleaned up. Put some bead seal around to see if that helps. If not, my backup is this. This stuff, guys, is like magic. I use it for my dad's buggy, my uncle's buggy, my Can-Am tires. I use it for everything because I don't know what this stuff, how it is, but it's incredible. It's good for aluminum. It's safe for the rims. Does not destroy them. It doesn't, come apart or anything on you. It lasts a long time. It's some good stuff right there. So right now, Alculator has cleaned this all up, got it prepped, got it all perfect, torqued everything down. We fill this with air. We're gonna see if this thing will at least hold. If it does not hold, then we're gonna stick that in there. But you guys cannot stick this in there until you're getting ready to go for a ride. So before you put this in, so for an example, we're not gonna put it in now. So before I have Alculator put it in, what we're gonna do is once we go out to the desert this weekend, right before the ride, I will dump this whole bottle in here. I use this whole bottle. This is a 33-inch tire with a 15-inch rim. I use the whole bottle, and why? Because the directions are right back here, and it'll tell you how. So I will use the whole bottle. We'll go drive, and then we'll go from there. But right now, we got to download these tunes real quick. And you guys always ask me, Eddie, you have a Mac. Why do you use this? Because this is my tuning computer, and it works a lot better for the Windows program works a lot better for tuning. But now I saw them carrying a big plate of food. Let's go see what we got over here. Dinner? Dinner time? Dinner time? You guys think my wife is obsessed with my son? He gets a whole wall. I don't think you deserve a whole wall, man. Whoa, why are you so angry? Sorry. Ow, man, take it easy. All right, whoa. What do we got going on over here? That salad looks good, man.
Yeah, so we got lamb loin.
Oh, no, I was not painting. Hey, stop. You're hurting me now, man. Take it easy.
What are you painting?
Hey, Alculator wants to know what you're painting over there.
Painting? Come show Dad that's painting on his face.
No. All right, so let's see what we got. What do we got to ask our chefs first? Chef Alculator?
I wasn't cooking tonight.
Oh, actually, yeah, he was working. Chef Lou?
So we got.
What are my options here? So what am I eating tonight?
So right here's lamb loin.
Okay.
So lamb loin, and then we got filet tenderloin, and we got ribeye cap.
Okay.
Which is, wow. The lamb loin is cinnamon, chili powder, salt, pepper, garlic.
Wow. Hold on, I'm vlogging here, man. You want to paint? Okay. Go get his paintbrush. It's on the barbecue in the hookah bowl. So this is the side right here.
Caesar and a little bit of shrimps.
Oh, shrimp. Little shrimp action, huh?
Yeah, it's really good.
Okay. Alright guys, so I'm going to mac on this food we got over here. And then I will head back in the garage, download the tunes. And we'll see how they work and start up. Big Lou is very excited also to hear these tunes.
It's just a competition. Like, he wants American Force, I do American Force.
Oh, jeez.
I want a turbo. He does suspension, I want suspension. But I'm going third, so.
Yeah, I'm going Carly, guys. As you guys know, he's going to go third, which I'm glad he is because it's going to be a perfect comparison. Yeah. But he's just going, what are you doing, the leveling kit?
So I'm doing 1.75 coil in the front, stage 2. Then stage 1 in the back, and all King 2.5. And shout out to PD Diesel Power, because he's the guy that really convinced me to get it.
PD Diesel convinced you?
Yeah, he's the best, man.
All right, well, PD Diesel, I guess Big Lou loves the channel, and he thanks you. I guess it was your idea for the Thurin kit. Is it called Thurin?
Thurn, yeah.
Thurn?
Thurn fabrication.
Thurn fabrication. Okay. That's great. We're back, guys. Dinner's done. Now Lou got some popcorn. He put 2 popcorns. They're sitting watching a nice movie over here. But like I was, and for you guys to see the stupid strobe light, yes, I am sorry. It's that dang light. We have to change it. It finally came in. There's the box. I got it. Now I have to move Martin's buggy so I can get the ladder up there to change that stupid light. But I apologize for that, guys. But first things first, let's download the new tunes onto the AutoCal here and make sure everything's good. All right, guys. So now we are downloading the new tune onto the AutoCal. And yes, I'm still using Optimal Welding's tunes. You can see right there. Give it a sec to focus if it ever can focus. There you go. Still using Optimal's tunes. So now once this is on there, we will plug this into the truck and then download these tunes onto the truck. We've already got the switch in there. The switch that I have is the CSP5 switch, and it looks like I thought I had, and oh, actually, I do have an extra one in the truck, I believe. But these will work 100% because this is the one that I run. It is right there, the 2-prong CSP, and when you guys get it, it might be set in a CSP4 position. All you do is just pull that little washer out, and it will go to the 5th position for you guys to make it 5 stages. Look at this, I've never seen this before. Oh, it just went away. It's a diesel preheat, I think. I've never seen that. I'm not sure. I guess this thing was a little cold in this garage. All right, and there you go, guys. Now the truck is flashing, so just leave the key in the on position and let it do its thing. Also, guys, a little update for you. You guys asked me about the exhaust. So I do not sell the exhaust. For tuning, you can go see Matt at Optimal Welding. For the exhaust, you can contact Raj. I'm sure a lot of you guys know him already. I will put his Instagram down in the description. So if you guys are looking for the exhaust for Ram, Duramax, Ford, whatever, I believe he's got them all. I will put his Instagram in the description. So click that, and then you can DM him and go from there. He'll let you know pricing and all that stuff. Tune is done, it's flashed, it's filed. So now how I told Matt at Optimal Welding is I want 1 and 2 and 3 rumble, 4 and 5 to whistle. Matt made some adjustments, and he made some adjustments that I really like because this thing sounds good. So you can pick rumble or whistle at whatever number you want. You just have to let Matt know. Like I said, 1, 2, 3 for me are rumble, 4, 5 are whistle. Now what I mean by that is I'm gonna show you. So we're gonna start this thing up, and if all goes well, this should start up rumbling. Then when I switch it, it should start whistling and should sound really, really good and sound like the turbo is just, you get like some big boy in there. As you guys clearly heard there, sounds pretty amazing, I gotta say. So, like I said, you can let him know. You can have 1, 2, and 3 as whistle. I mean, it doesn't matter. And yes, you can drive it on any of the tunes, 1 through 5. I mainly drive it on 1 and 2. I don't, as you guys know, I don't really hot rod my truck at all. I go easy on it. So 2 is you know, my stage that I like, but 3, 4, 5, it's pretty amazing what this thing could do. Also, guys, I don't know what Matt did to how this transmission shifts or that defueling. I will say though, this transmission shifts amazing now. There's no more of that like defuel. I don't know if that's, I think, yeah, that's what you'd call it. It shifts, and when it shifts, it goes. I mean, it's amazing. So thank you, Matt. I didn't know you fixed that, but this thing shifts beautiful now. Now stay tuned. You know, we got to get ready. If you notice, the Ram is not in here. We got to go hook it up to the big ding ding because we're getting ready to head out to the desert. Yes, you guys are going to get another desert vlog. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.